Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve, AAA Truck Sales, Monroe, Georgia. Got one here for you. This is a 2020. This is a Freightliner Cascadia 116. This truck has 598,000 miles on it. It's obviously a day cab, unless you feel like sleeping in the passenger seat, but I wouldn't recommend it. Got a Detroit engine. It's a DT13 model, automatic transmission. It's 12-speed. The shifter is on the steering wheel. You can see from the pictures. Got an air ride suspension. Now this shot coming around to the driver's side is kind of tight, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. We missed the sliding fifth wheel. It's in very good shape. It's polished up, and it is running smoothly. That last shot was tight because we have a lot of trucks down here that we got to move. So come on down, look at this one right here, look at any of them, and we'll get you rolling.